Hello friends and welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Thank you so much for joining me today. You guys have been wanting to see the eggplant parmesan video since I shared that I was going to make it. I'm excited to share with you my traditional way of making eggplant parm, and I'm also going to be sharing with you my version that's a little bit different. Grab the best looking eggplant you can find. I'm making a lot, so I picked 3. You'll need mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese. For my version, I am using ricotta cheese, eggs. You could use up to 3 to 4 eggs. It's just to coat your eggplant with. Breadcrumbs, you're going to use anywhere from a cup or more. Olive oil, and your favorite sauce. Start slicing your eggplant about 1/4 of an inch. Now we're going to start taking the moisture out of our eggplant. Don't skip this step, it's very important. You don't want soggy eggplant parm. Sprinkle salt on all your slices. Also, by adding salt to your eggplant slices, it draws that bitter taste that it has out. Let it sit there up to 30 minutes. When it's done, you'll notice that there'll be beads of moisture on your eggplant. Rinse them off in some water and then pat them dry with some paper towels. In a bowl, add your breadcrumbs. Then 3 to 4 eggs in another bowl. To your breadcrumbs, you can also add some garlic powder, and this is what I did. Beat your eggs. Take your eggplant slices, dunk them into the egg mixture, and then coat them very well with the breadcrumbs. Shake off any excess breadcrumbs. Heat up to 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil into a pan and lightly fry them. You want them so they're about golden brown. The bottom of my casserole dish, I did a layer of the sauce, added in my eggplant slices. I added a dollop of the sauce on top of the eggplants, and then hit it with some mozzarella cheese. I have shredded cheese. You could slice your own. Either way, it's gonna melt and be delicious. After you add your cheese, add another eggplant slice on top of all of them. Spread more of the sauce on each of the eggplants, and then top it with more mozzarella cheese. You can also grate up some Parmesan cheese and sprinkle that on top, and you're ready to bake. But what I like to do, I like to coat the eggplant with some ricotta cheese, then the mozzarella cheese, and then another layer of eggplant. So good with ricotta cheese. It's actually my favorite way to eat eggplant parm. You'll bake this at 375 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes, just until the cheese is bubbly and brown on top. When it's all done, top it with some chopped basil. And I love to serve this up with pasta.